Hi friends, welcome to my channel Lotus Geek. In this tutorial, we're gonna fix an error in which Wi-Fi option is not available in your settings menu. Before proceeding, I request you to please click on the subscribe button to continue watching more such tech and how-to videos. Now let's go ahead and proceed with the resolution. The very first thing we are going to do is to turning on the required services in your computer. So for that, simultaneously press Windows and R key. It will open a command prompt to you. In command prompt, type services.msc and hit the enter button. In services, you need to locate two services. First of all is WLAN auto config. It will be in the alphabetical view. This one is the WLAN auto config. Open it by double clicking on it. And in startup type, make sure it should be automatic. And if the services are not running, if it is stopped, click on the start button to start the service. Hit apply and OK button. Second service that you need to locate is remote procedure call, RPC. Here is the RPC service. Double click to open it. Now here also make sure the startup type must be automatic and the service status must be running. If it is stopped, kindly start it. Then hit the apply and OK button. After that, check your Wi-Fi if it is available or not. Now we are going to proceed with second step. In second step, again simultaneously press Windows and R key to open the run command and here type dev mgmt.msc and hit the enter button. It will open device management to you. In device management, find network adapters, expand it and here find your Wi-Fi connection. For example, my Wi-Fi connection is Intel dual band wireless. Double click to open it and here in the power management, make sure you uncheck this option where it is showing allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Uncheck this option and hit the OK button. Again, check your Wi-Fi if it is working or not. If it is not working, we are going to proceed with third step. In third step, save in this device manager, you need to right click on your wireless connection and click on update driver. Choose the option second, browse my computer for drivers. Now here choose the second option, let me pick from the list of available drivers. From here, both the drivers, wireless drivers are available in front of you. Kindly choose each one of them and hit the next button. It will take few seconds and your drivers will be installed automatically. Now close the update driver option and again check for the resolution. If somehow still the problem persists or you are unable to find this wireless connection in your device manager, this one step is for those who are unable to find this wireless connection. You need to click on the action tab and click on add legacy hardware. Click on the next button. Choose the option second. Again next. Now here in show all devices, find the network driver. This one is the network driver. Now click on the next button. Now here the list of network drivers are available in front of you. My network driver is Intel. So choose from here the network driver and click on the next button to install the drivers automatically in your system. Now once the drivers are installed, you can proceed with the second step and the third step simultaneously to find the power management to make it off, and third step is that update the driver. Once the driver are installed, again you need to right click on it and click on the update driver option to make sure the drivers are installed properly. So this one is the fourth step that we have proceeded. If still the problem persists, we are going to proceed with the fifth step. Open your settings menu In settings menu, click on update and security. In left pane, choose the troubleshoot option. In troubleshoot, click on additional troubleshooters. And find here network troubleshooter. This one is the network adapter. Click on it and click on run the troubleshooter button. Now it has started detecting the problem. Click on the Wi-Fi because Wi-Fi option is not showing at your end, and click on the next button. Now as my Wi-Fi is not connected, that's why it is showing me either to skip the step or connect to the internet. At your end, click on the show me a list of Wi-Fi adapters and proceed with the troubleshooter. This one is the fifth step. If still the problem persists, we are going to proceed to the sixth step. Click on the start menu and type here CMD. Run CMD as an administrator mode. Now in CMD, we are going to run few commands one by one. Type here netsh space winshock space reset and hit the enter button. Here it is showing you must restart your computer in order to complete the reset. After that, restart your computer and then again command prompt to proceed to the second step. In second step, type netsh space int space IP space reset and hit the enter button. Now again restart your PC as described. Third is ipconfig space / release and hit the enter button again. Now we are going to proceed to the fourth command, which is ipconfig space / renew. Hit the enter button. And now fifth command is ipconfig space / flush DNS and again hit the enter button. That's it you have to do. Now type the exit and close the troubleshooter. One more thing friends, it is showing an error that the media is disconnected because my Wi-Fi is not connected as of now. At your end, it won't show any issues. So these are the 6 steps for the resolution. If the problem still persists, kindly comment below for more ways of the resolution of this problem. That's it about it friends. If you like my tutorial, I request you to please click on the subscribe button to continue watching more such videos, and don't forget to share my channel with your friends also. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.